Okay, this is the video on the Paver machine, the PF-150 Knox, and we'll just kind of walk around here. The hopper is 10 foot wide, very clean. You want to do some paving and just for fun, or lay some base or something, this is probably the machine for you. It's smaller than most paving machines, so you can put it right on a regular equipment trailer, no problem. Just drive it up on there and you're ready to go. The screeds in the back, they extend out to 13 feet. What do you say, 5? Yeah, 13 feet. We have them extended right now just to show you. He's gonna suck them in when we start it up here in a minute. Everything on it is super clean. I'll give you a quick look at that. He does have still shots on him. So I don't know if you're the small paver guy that wants to get a nice little paver, this is probably the one for you. But anyway, fire it up, Brent. Let's show him what it does. It has a Droits diesel in it. What is it, Droits? Yeah, Droits. Droits. So here we go. And anyway, oh, he's working that. It's our first time. Easy maneuverability on this one. Got the hoppers. Gonna work the screeds. They work nice.
It's got 3 speeds up there, so it's high, low, medium. So that's why I was gonna turn the take off slow. It's in medium right now.
Okay.
But slow is pretty creepy. Creeps along. I don't know if you want to see that.
Yeah. Feeding stuff out. That's okay. All right, so that's it. If you want to see it further, you can go ahead and come on down here on preview day, which is next Friday. And there he goes. He is leaving. That is the end of him. He's gone. He's taking the paving machine away. Okay, so that's it. Happy bidding. Bye-bye.